This is what you look like at 3:30 in the morning, the day of your presentation. This is the start of my Rubegoldberg project. As you can see, dominoes. Now this table was a hassle because you can't bump it at all, or else everything will fall down. This is the very beginning, and it's a chain reaction. As I press this domino, it falls into the other and other and other. Finally, it comes to this pencil. Can we zoom in a little bit? The pencil right here, as it moves the pencil, it pushes this pawn this way, and it follows that curve and hits the pawn. Does the same thing over here to the queen. Yes, I did chess pieces to follow the theme. The queen follows its trail down and hits the domino. The domino then follows the track up. This is where it gets interesting. The domino is attached to a string, which is attached to the cup. In the cup is some water. The water, once the domino falls down, it pulls the cup down, so the water comes out into the tubing right here. At the bottom of the tubing is very, very thin, very, very thin tissue, and there's a metal ball down there. The metal ball then falls through the tissue paper because after it is soaked, it becomes less less stable, and then it falls through the cup below and follows the track and hits the domino. The domino is like the other dominoes, except this is with string. It follows a chain reaction. As this domino falls, the string is pulled and pulls and pulls and pulls, releasing this domino over here, which is also releasing this can, which has weight on the top of it at an angle, so that way when this domino is pulled, this is no longer being held up. So this rolls over, and inside is water. The water then floats down and trickles down my aluminum ramp I made into my pulley system over here. Inside this pulley system is a glass ball, a marble, and so this, as this one goes down, this one is pulled up. But I have it set so the metal wires are holding the cup down, so the back end comes up, pulling the marble out. The marble then follows the track through the meticulous chair weaving. Again, then the domino series, except this time a smaller domino hits a bigger plate, then hits another bigger plate, hits another bigger plate. This then falls down, hits this book, hits another book, hits the final book, and then this is my balloon popping scenario, in which this book hits this metal wire, and the metal wire then is pushed into the balloon with the point on the end. Now this is the point that I really don't want to try, but it's just I spent so much time on this, it's very hard. Anyways, let's just give it hell. Alright. Okay. I mean, no pressure. It's only 3:30 in the morning and I have my project due in like 8 hours. Alright. Follow it as it goes, Thomas. Ready? Okay. Wow. Shit. Oh, there you go. No, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Well, it wasn't as, it was more stable than I thought it was. No? What the hell's going on? there you go. We had a couple mess ups, but that's okay. And honestly, I didn't think they'd mess up right there, but I'm happy that it all worked out really good. Anyways, I can finally get some sleep.